If you've ever spent hours baking a beautiful loaf of homemade bread only to end up with uneven, crooked slices, you're definitely not alone. One slice ends up paper thin, the next is twice as thick, and suddenly your sandwiches don't stack properly. So today, we're taking a look at a simple kitchen tool that promises to solve that everyday frustration, the Cawiu Bread Slicer. The Cawiu Bread Slicer is designed for home bakers, sourdough enthusiasts, and anyone who regularly slices fresh bread at home. Instead of relying on guesswork with every cut, this adjustable slicing guide helps create consistent slices while keeping your countertop cleaner. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the design is simple, but that's actually one of its biggest strengths. Made from durable, heat-resistant polypropylene plastic, it feels lightweight while still being sturdy enough for regular use. The folding construction makes it easy to set up in seconds, and when you're finished, it folds flat enough to slide into a kitchen drawer or cabinet. For anyone working with limited kitchen space, that's a major advantage over larger bread cutting stations. The adjustable width is another thoughtful feature. Whether you're slicing a traditional sandwich loaf, homemade sourdough, artisan bread, baguettes, bagels, or even certain cakes, the guide adapts to different sizes without much effort. That flexibility makes it far more useful than fixed-size bread slicers that only accommodate one loaf shape. The real benefit, though, comes during everyday use. The guide helps your knife stay aligned, so every slice reaches the bottom of the loaf while maintaining a consistent thickness of about ½ inch. If you've ever struggled to make even sandwich slices by hand, you'll immediately notice the improvement. Uniform slices don't just look better. They toast more evenly, make sandwiches easier to assemble, and create a more professional presentation overall. Another feature worth mentioning is the non-slip base. The silicone feet help keep the slicer steady while cutting, reducing unwanted movement that can sometimes happen when slicing fresh bread. Combined with a rear support that keeps the loaf upright, the entire cutting process feels more controlled and safer, especially for beginners who are still getting comfortable slicing crusty artisan bread. One surprisingly useful addition is the integrated crumb tray. Rather than scattering crumbs all over the counter, the tray catches most of the mess underneath the slicer. Once you're finished, you can simply empty the crumbs or even use the tray to serve sliced bread at the table. It's a small detail, but it saves cleanup time and helps keep your kitchen a little tidier. Using the Cawiu Bread Slicer quickly becomes part of your baking routine. After baking a fresh loaf, you simply unfold the guide, adjust it to fit your bread, position the loaf, and begin slicing. Because the guide controls the knife's path, even someone new to homemade bread can produce slices that look surprisingly consistent. It's one of those tools that removes frustration without adding unnecessary complexity. Like any kitchen accessory, there are a few limitations. Since it's a manual slicer, you'll still need a sharp serrated bread knife to get the best results. Very large artisan loaves may also require a bit of repositioning during slicing. But considering its compact design and affordable price, those are fairly minor compromises for most home bakers. Compared with similar manual bread slicers from Bambusi, KitchenDow, and other foldable slicing guides, the Cawiu stands out because of its adjustable width, non-slip base, built-in crumb tray, and space-saving foldable design. While electric bread slicers offer faster cutting, they also take up significantly more counter space and cost considerably more. For everyday homemade bread, the Cawiu strikes an excellent balance between convenience and value. Overall, the Cawiu Bread Slicer is a practical addition for anyone who bakes bread regularly. It delivers more consistent slices, keeps the workspace cleaner, stores easily, and makes homemade bread look as good as it tastes. If fresh bread is part of your weekly routine, this is a simple tool that genuinely improves the experience. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest kitchen product reviews and practical buying guides. And if you'd like to check the latest price or availability, you'll find the direct product link waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.